Alright, so it sounds like a lot of you are having problems finding EBSCOhost and getting logged in. So here's how I would do it. So go to the West Kentucky website and then log in with MyPath or whatever, so you can already be logged in. It'll make it a lot easier. Then go back to this page and go to library. When you've found your articles before you use Primo, they really need you to use EBSCOhost for this. It's a very strict requirement that we have to follow. So once you're on this page, you're going to go over here to Find Resources. And you're going to scroll down a little bit, select Database, scroll down until you find EBSCOhost, and click Go. You'll click on EBSCOhost Web. And then the easiest thing here, these are all different databases within EBSCOhost, so there's a ton of them. I use this one a lot in college, but what I would do is just select all, so then you're searching all of them, and hit continue. And then you can do your start your search here, so you can do an advanced search and all that. But try to get in there today and let me know if you have trouble, and I can try to help you.